Will you press the button? Be able to teleport anywhere, but you'll always arrive 10 minutes late. Have the ability to see the future, but you'll lose a day of your life for every glimpse you take. Have the power to grant wishes, but you can only use it on the first person you see when you click share and more. Have the perfect memory, but you'll remember every embarrassing moment in vivid detail. Be able to control time, but you'll age twice as fast when using this power. Subscribe for more.